So you were trying to tell me, so I asked you a question. I asked you, what about the class did you not like? Okay, and what would you prefer instead?
One thing at least. Talking to friends.
Talking to friends. So the one thing that you're really, so the reason why you were so happy in the beginning of the sessions when school actually started was you were looking forward to connecting to friends, correct?
Yes, I mean like there Naureen is just over there on that side.
Naureen is just in the same building and you still can't talk to her. So what I told you is I'm going to get a landline so that you can actually call and talk to your friends. Would that do?
Of course it would do.
That would.
That's what I really want to do. Just
Then
talk
you
to
can
my
call
friends.
Siddhant, you can call, so yeah, you can. I'll get, as I said, once I get the land. So today's Thursday, right? By this weekend, we'll hopefully have that delivered, a
This
landline.
Thursday?
Today's Thursday. Yeah, I have a couple of meetings in
Wait,
the
1
evening.
second. Tomorrow I get that, right? No, I don't know.
Okay, come here. You tell me.
Tomorrow the triad shop Megalodon is mine.
Okay, too soon. I'm asking you. So you said, how would you like art class to be, for example?
I don't know, drawing or some creating. Okay, creating something useful. What the hell is so useful about stick? Can't we make an origami paper fly? That thing.
Like something which you feel is, but what if it's more difficult for other people? See, for example, can I give you an example, Vinay? Lot of things which is easy for you is difficult.
They have made it before.
No, my question is, okay, imagine Achachan in the class, okay, in the same class as you, origami ke liye. Do you think it will be very easy for him to do origami?
No.
And you will do it faster and he will do it slower and he'll think it's, So the teacher's struggle is always to make sure he doesn't feel bad and at the same time...
Everybody knows how to make origami now.
No, Vinay, what is so intuitive to you is not.
Everybody knows.
What knows?
They
Dara.
already know
Come.
everything. It's like they are.
So why
They
do you
have to
not...
get
So
the
you told me
teachers.
that if you have 3 classes, you're going to be completely not interested. Why?
I don't know. Because when you're just doing something, when it's something interesting, just
He
when
has
it
class.
started.
He's having class right now.
Just when it started, it starts.
Can you come here? Let's speak slowly because Achachan is having his class right now.
eat?
It's okay, you eat.
No.
Why are you looking so pissed off? That's my question.
Look, there's some. When you're doing
Let me
something
close the
important-
door so that he doesn't get disturbed in class. Okay, great. All the best. Have a great day.
When you're doing something important, the class only rings and the class
When you're
starts.
doing something important, what is the important thing that you're doing?
Watching something cool or something like
Yeah.
interesting.
You're in a
Suddenly
flow.
it rings just when it starts.
Yeah, I can understand how annoying that can be.
Even in Minecraft, the same thing happened. I found a village, but I got stuck in a stupid cobweb. I can't break it because it was not bought. And Minecraft is actually not that good.
Not that good.
Found out because you can actually fall. I wanted to know what was underneath bedrock. I thought it would be something like more interesting, a new kind of block. Now that it's just the end. Look, in Enderman, end portal is there, right? It says it's the end. If it's the end, why didn't we land over there? It said we fell out of the world. Shouldn't we have landed on the end?
Okay, coming back to the school thing, we have got the Google class codes. It was my bad, I didn't see it. Okay, I know you got screen bad for no reason.
Not really.
Well, you had such a long face.
Yeah, it's kind of boring not being like.
So in real class, when school used to be there, is this how your face used to look in class? Really?
Yeah. Wait, what? In real class, no.
Then?
There are so many more interesting things. Art, you actually draw something
No.
cool.
Say for example, you have maths class. तेरा alarm बज रहा है.
Is it class?
No, because we had put the 3 alarms, right? But today you have only 2 classes.
Just say dismiss.
Just say dismiss. But it's going to ring 5 times because I think there are like 5.
Just say snooze.
Snooze will only make it ring immediately. Okay, come, tell me. How do we make this better? Tell me. I'm curious. क्या करें?
If there are 3 classes, why don't you make them 3 useful things that we actually use in life?
Like, for example, what would be the things that you think are going to be useful in life?
You separate things. You look.
Look,
Don't
tell me,
teach
sit here.
The whole class the same thing.
Don't teach the whole class the same thing.
Because after some time we are going to split up only, right? I mean, like, we are not going to do all of us are not going to do the exact same thing.
That's fair.
I mean, like, all of us will do different things. I'll become something, George will become something, Siddhant will become something.
That's a very fair point.
But if we know the same thing, then we'll have to choose one job which is only choosing.
That's a very, very, very valid point.
Basically, we have to meet together when we grow.
So then, what are the things that can be taught which everybody
Look,
can use, and then
there
they can
should
go
be
into
one
different.
teacher for each student.
One
Whatever-
teacher for each student. Or?
No, one thing that the student is interested in the most.
So let me ask you this: you remember in Kunskap school, and we had the system of like having a base group coach. You know.
Anyways, in Gujarat, what I
You
really
remember
like
Geeta ma'am? Geeta ma'am?
Yeah, English teacher, right?
No, your Hindi teacher. Geeta ma'am, she would take you aside, she would sit with you, she would talk with you, remember?
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
the teacher.
Your class
was
teacher
with me.
in grade 1, was it? Grade 1.
I was not
grade-
that good in alpha. That's why she took me in.
No, that's because there were some issues that happened in class. That's why you were shifted to Geeta ma'am's class.
Yeah,
Hmm.
but now I'm not even. I'm over those issues now.
You're over those issues. What were those issues? You were really mad those days. Was it math? Math used to make you really mad. Multiplication tables and stuff. You used to hate multiplication tables.
Now it's really easy.
Huh?
It's like I become fully different.
But then remember when we did
Also,
with
one more
Jenga,
thing.
it was actually very easy.
No.
I was thinking. Remember the old Jenga you made
Also,
those?
I was really bad at games that time.
You were bad at games.
Yeah,
Like?
there was a most simple game. Super simple. All you had to do is this. Remember that game? Something
game?
like this. What do you call it? In Delhi, what our house was there, we had TV, right?
Correct.
All you had to do is this.
Hmm.
Just jump up, jump up, jump up. Like basically, you just have to go up the staircase.
Hmm.
That was the first level in all 10 levels. It was the super easiest.
What are you talking about?
Anybody could do that level, but I couldn't do
तू
it.
क्या बोल रहा है मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ
Look,
रहा
there was a game on our TV earlier.
okay.
in Delhi.
Okay.
Hmm?
I
That TV,
or is
I
it?
had
Are you
game.
talking about Noel? Maybe.
no,
Are you talking about Noel? I think.
no,
Ah.
in Kunskap school,
Acha.
that time I sucked at games because look, there's a super easy game. All you have to do is climb up a staircase. Anybody could do it. Anybody. All you have to do is climb up some 5 staircases.
So the question is,
I couldn't even climb one
how
step.
would the kid feel when the kid can't do something
I
which
already
seems simple
cried.
for so many people?
I always cried, remember?
You always cried, and not only that, you used to
Basically,
act out so much.
Basically, this is the thing. I was going like
You
this.
would throw things apart. Remember?
Yeah.
You used to be so mad.
Amma, look, in the game, I was like this. Like I went staircase, wee, fell off the edge. Again and again. You know how many times I tried? I tried for the half of the day. I kept on trying for one whole day then. You know what happened? Nothing. You know what I did? After something like 5 days or some work, second step.
Can I ask you a
Then I
different
fell off
question?
and went,
Would you prefer to go back to school when school starts, or would you like to be home and what would you prefer, or is there something in between that you can do, and if so, what? Old school system like it was before, one option. Number 2, current option where you're home and just doing
Also,
stuff.
Kunskap school is kind of weird.
What?
Grade 1 students, you know what it teaches? Multiplication.
So grade 1 में multiplication नहीं पढ़ाते क्या?
Never.
No.
You have to be great.
ले तेरा अलार्म दोबारा बज रहा. Well, that's the point of an alarm, right? It should annoy you into reminding you. अरे डिसमिस कर देना. चल इधर आ. तूने बताया नहीं. You didn't tell me.
Wait, 1 second. I need to do something.
What do you need to do? Oh, before we forget, let's put in your Google Classroom codes. Otherwise, I'll forget again.
Yeah, put it on this.
Yeah, because otherwise,
But not
before your
now.
next class. Huh? But you didn't tell me what would be if you were to create a school. How would that school be?
School would be really nice.
School would be really nice. Other months like, eh?
Every kid would want to go there.
How will you make every kid want to come to school?
Bruh, there
Huh?
should be fun at least.
There should be fun.
More fun, not so much learning. I mean, like, what?
Can learning be fun? How can we make learning fun?
It's obviously,
Huh?
you can't make learning fun.
You can't make learning fun.
How
Learning
about
sucks. So then how can one
have to
teacher
teach
teach
them-
so many kids
It's
and
obvious.
all kids who have different interests?
It's easy.
What?
You have to make different classes. Also,
Huh?
what
How-
if
how
there's
the
a kid,
hell?
Example is
Hmm.
there's a kid who is really bad in math,
Okay.
but he likes baseball a lot. What
Okay.
if
Huh.
he has to learn diameters?
Huh.
Do you know those baseball people? make
Yeah,
people like
the swings. Huh. Huh.
Flip it upside down.
Okay.
Diameters.
Diameters. Huh?
Basically, you take things which they like.
Huh.
Turn
And
up.
so you use something which they enjoy to teach them math.
Yeah.
That's a brilliant idea. I like it.
If they like football,
So you use football examples for the ones who like football. You use cooking examples maybe for the one who like cooking.
Yeah.
So like you can
like the
teach.
flame degrees. How long is the flame? This long or that long?
Huh.
They learn cooking and they will learn this also.
Hmm.
Get it?
Interesting. Hmm.
This is a nice idea, but nobody knows how to. Nobody has ever used it.
So, but a lot of times the teachers need incredible patience to first know what each child likes, right?
Why don't you just write it in the registration? I mean, like
At the
say,
registration, the child has to
what
enter.
Look, the child has to enter these things.
What do they like?
They have to do the stuff they actually do.
But how many kids are
What
actually
do you-
honest about what they like? They always write what others see. Can I ask you very honestly? So many kids write when asked about what they want the others to hear, not what they want to say. Because a lot of times they are scared that if they say what they really feel like in a public space, people will make fun of them or people will actually put them down and stuff
They
like
won't,
that.
because
So then,
there'll be some
how do you
kind
do
of
this?
look. People are not allowed to make fun of each other.
but how do you prevent people from making fun of each other? Like how can say you're the teacher, how do you make sure that the kids don't bully each other or
That's such
make
an
fun?
easy question.
What?
Distract them.
Distract them. Like
It's
how?
like saying this. Two people are fighting,
Huh.
but if they have one thing that they like more than fighting, they'll get distracted.
क्या idea यार? Awesome. Super.
Don't you think? And then
That's a
they'll
very
be
good idea. That's a
doing
great
that for so
parenting.
long. That by doing that for so long, they'll forget about the fight and go home and forget about forever.
Because sometimes when people are fighting, waste one. Just one second.
You tell this to teacher.
I'll tell that to teacher. Okay? Let me just go get the waste and hand it over.
Abraham